If you are looking for Bitcoin to move up, if you are looking for it to move up pretty soon, I think I've got some good news for you, and we're going to talk about that right now. I do see a move in Bitcoin higher, not much longer. But before we take a look at the price and what it is showing us, I want to move over to TradingView. TradingView is one of my favorite tools to use. I'm going to look at the technical analysis for Bitcoin. It has it in different time frames. A very short time frame of 1 day shows a summary of buy. The oscillators are showing a sell, with moving averages showing a strong buy. Don't go by the oscillators right now. That's just the natural movement of the market. We're not selling any Bitcoin right now. 1 week summary is a buy. Oscillators are showing a buy. Moving average is a strong buy. And then one more, the month. Oh, nice. Showing a strong buy. Oscillators are showing a buy. Moving average is a strong buy. I don't go by technical analysis, TradingView's technical analysis only. I do my own. And I also listen to other people that are knowledgeable in crypto to come up with my thesis. But I do believe everything is pointing to an upward move in Bitcoin coming soon. Here's several reasons. One, if you listen to those who know about the crypto market and know it better than I do, everything I'm hearing is that January could be a very good month in crypto, and 2024 is more than likely going to be fantastic across the crypto boards. Now, that's just not some theory that we're seeing here that people are hoping plays out, because let's be honest, we've heard people say that for the last year and a half, okay? Not sometimes the most knowledgeable people, but people, oh, Bitcoin's going to moon next week. Okay, no, it really hasn't. It has been down for a while, but we're not just talking about theoretical anymore. We were looking at Bitcoin a year ago down here at about 16,000. In October, it was at 27,000. And look at this. We've seen this fantastic run up in Bitcoin and crypto markets in general from 26,000 to a high. I think it almost tapped 44,000. It did tap it. So we have broken 44,000 was the high in December, and then it has fallen back down and is now challenging the high again. At this very minute, we're sitting at 43,880. Now, if you look at this weekly chart, this is fantastic if you know anything about candlestick patterns. It's a big candle up, a big candle down, followed immediately by another big candle up, basically canceling out this downfall. What that means is after a magnificent rise, you could expect some pullback across any market that went up as high as Bitcoin and crypto did. You should expect some pullback, and we had exactly that. But what we're seeing in Bitcoin is on this weekly chart, that was just a buy. That was just a good buy time for people who wanted to get in or get more. You can see price fell to this critical almost 40,000 level. Buyers said, fantastic, thank you, I'll take some more of that. And they came in, bought, and has pushed the price back up to where it was toward the 1st of December. So that's another reason I see us going upward soon. Not only am I hearing that it's going to be a good year next year, but price is showing us that. We've seen incredible strength over the past 2 months, and price is content to be there. The longer price rests here, the better chance there is going to be a move of the next move going to be up. The better chance the next move will be up. We had this rise, it sat here, we did fall, but look, here's where we saw on the weekly the absolute dramatic, I guess, well, the price just went straight back up again. I don't know how to say it better than that. Buyers came in. We could see a dip down toward the end of this year. It might be slower toward the end of December. I have gone back in the past and looked at, let's see, 2022 in Bitcoin. Here's where we were in December, and it was about the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th of January, the 1st and 2nd week of January, where price took off. Okay, saw the same thing in 2021. Here's December 21st. If I draw something like here, that's a nice range. On the 5th of January, it broke out. So I would expect a break to start happening in Bitcoin again around the 1st of January. Where's that button? That's the button I want. And Well, I do have some, I do have my money on it because I'm long crypto. But if I were to be a betting man, I would say the next dramatic move is going to be up, breaking the highs of December, not down, and certainly not challenging this 40,000 level. If price should meander down to this 40,000 level, if you're in Bitcoin for the long term or maybe the short term, however you want to trade it, that might be a good spot to pick up some more. Does not mean it cannot fall. Crypto is its own beast. You learn to respect the markets. You learn that the more you know, the less you know. And unless you're just a pompous A, let's say, unless you're like that, you will admit you don't definitely know where crypto's going. You have a gut feel. You can do your due diligence, which you should, but nobody knows what's going to happen in crypto. Treat the markets with respect. Make sure the probabilities are in your favor. I think the probability of Bitcoin going up even higher is pretty darn good. All right, come back. I'll keep you updated on the movements of Bitcoin and other crypto coins over the next few days. Y'all take care.